Creating a Tradovate account is a simple process that allows you to access trading platforms for futures trading. Follow these steps to set up your account. Visit the Tradovate website. Go to the official Tradovate website and click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to create, individual or business. Tradovate offers commission-free futures trading, so you can choose a plan based on your needs, such as standard, advanced or pro. Fill in personal information. Provide the necessary details, including your name, email, phone number, and residential address. Tradovate may also ask for additional personal information for KYC verification purposes. Set up security features. Create a strong password to secure your account. You may be asked to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Verify your account. Submit the required identity verification documents, such as a photo ID or proof of address, to complete the KYC process. Once verified, you will be notified that your account is ready. Fund your account. Choose a deposit method and fund your account using bank transfers or other available payment options.